Great evening to head to the Cuthbert. Let's check in out with meteorologist Melissa Frey. Melissa?
Yeah, nobody will be singing the blues about the weather because we're going to continue to see very mild conditions here for the rest of the week. Yesterday, high temperatures a little bit cooler than we had been, but a welcome sight for many. 81 was the high here in Eugene. 84 for those of you in Corvallis and Roseburg. Perfect temperature for the Douglas County Fair. As you head down into southern Oregon, also finding some relief in Medford. 95 for the high there. The Rose City dropped to the upper 70s, over a 10-degree drop from where they were on Monday. Mid-90s for Central Oregon, and still quite toasty when you get up to the northeast. Triple digits from Pendleton there all the way into Ontario. And the coast, we have no excuse. There's always a place to go to cool off. You saw mid-60s there all along the beaches. Now, that high of 81 that we saw here in Eugene yesterday, that's just 3 degrees below average for this time of year. And the record clear up to 106. Eugene, the hottest we've ever seen recorded here is just 108. So almost there back in 1972. Overnight lows in the low 50s, very typical for this time of year. Of course, no rainfall. Haven't seen any rain in quite some time. Chipping away at that surplus down to 5.34 inches at this point here for the calendar year. Now, we did see some clouds move in late last night. Those are now over central Oregon. Actually did bring some rain and thunder showers to the folks up across Washington. For us, though, it was just the clouds, and those are quickly headed to the east. And behind it, some cooler air moving in. And for us here west of the Cascades, it's that marine layer that has moved in once again, bringing overcast skies for downtown Eugene. Our temperature has actually risen a little bit this morning, up to 55 already. Dew point, though, still down to 52, and the wind is calm. So those clouds will stick with us for the morning commute and the first half of the day. But just like yesterday, that sunshine will return. We do have a big trough of low pressure sitting just offshore. And as that upper atmosphere moves in from the southwest, we're seeing a little bit cooler air move in, but we're also seeing that development of the marine layer each day. When you look just to the east of us, different picture, big ridge of high pressure here over Idaho, Montana, and then down over the Four Corners region. That's what's bringing in the hottest weather in the country right now. But again, for us, we're on the other side of the jet stream. So that's why we're seeing the cooler temperatures at this point. PRECISIONCAST, our computer model, shows there's that band of clouds that moved in last night. That's now pushing onto the eastern side of the state. We're seeing that marine layer this morning, backs off to the coast this afternoon. You notice Coos Bay and south should actually get some good sun breaks here this afternoon. But as you head to the northern coast and just to the west of Portland, staying socked in for a good portion of the afternoon. Then as we head into Thursday, morning clouds, afternoon sunshine. Same story for Friday, but for Saturday, we're going to write a new page in the book because I do not expect that marine layer to be as thick. That'll bring in some extra sunshine and some warmer temperatures. So for the coast, mid-60s, afternoon sun breaks. So you'll see similar conditions the next 3 days. A little bit warmer over the weekend, a little bit more sunshine come early next week. Umpqua Basin, low 80s. Morning clouds as well, but sunshine comes back this afternoon. You'll see more sunshine and warmer temperatures as we head into the weekend. In fact, all the way up into the low 90s here for Saturday and staying about there early next week. Mostly sunny for the Cascades, mostly sunny as well in Central Oregon with mid-80s there. You'll also warm up this weekend. And for the valley, about 79 degrees today in Eugene. We'll get up to 88 by Saturday, then mid-80s early next week.